afternoon. I'm Lisa Lucky with Rustline Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here this afternoon with my daughter, Laura Lucky, also with Rustline Sotheby's International Realty. Just want to welcome you to our virtual open house. We are in LaScala, the homes of LaScala and Estancia. This particular home is a single-family detached home. There's the main house that has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and then over here on my left is a detached casita, which also has a bedroom and a bath. One thing to note before we go into this beautiful home, and again, let me give you a quick recap on the home. It is $1,350,000 is the asking price, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3,450 square feet. Let's see, let's maybe look down here. The driveway is pavers. The style of the home on the exterior is going to be an old world. Any comments, Laura, or thoughts here? You can see it has a brick where it's covered up with kind of a mudslide on it. Roofing here is slate. And
we are block construction.
Oh yeah, very good. Block construction here as well. So it's a great day here. It's going to be more beautiful, I guess, as far as the weather, but we'll go ahead and go on inside and take a look. Okay. As we're coming inside, I'll tell you a little bit more about the community Estancia. Within Estancia, there is the Estancia Club. The Estancia Club is a separate membership, so you can buy the home, and the membership to Estancia, again, is totally separate. It is not mandatory, but if you are interested in the membership in Estancia, Lori, the membership director, is available, and we can get that information to you. There are golf memberships available right now. The dues or the entry fee for the membership is $150,000 right now. Okay, so let's get back into this beautiful home. One thing to notice here, obviously, when you come into this grand living room, is just the ceiling heights in here. Beautiful fireplace over here with Pantera. The owner of this home is just meticulously taken care of it. I mean, just attention to detail is wonderful. So the floors down here have been all resealed. It's moving ready. So that's one great thing about this home. Laura, any other comments or questions? Okay, all right, very good. Well, one thing I think nice is once we're in this great room is to just go ahead and go outside. It flows back to the back with pavers as well. Okay, so it's a different type of paver back here. But it's just meticulously maintained landscape. We've got the pergola out here with the fireplace. Fireplaces are gas fireplaces. Nice seating area. And then you're going to notice we've got 2 different water features. We've got the fountain, the tiered fountain, and then that is a spa. So let's take a walk over there and get a little more up close. And then one thing to notice too is what's nice on this lot is you'll notice behind the fountain here are the views to the west. So you get nice mountain views from here to the west. And then the lovely spa here, the water features are coming on either side. And down into your spa, you could probably put, I don't know, a few friends in here. There's plenty of room to enjoy this. Okay. On this end, this is going to be the master suite. So the master suite does open to the outside as well. And we'll just walk this way. And that is just a little part of the decoration. One thing on the property, the owner, they have really sealed up. There's extra kind of wire mesh here. It just kind of keeps the bunnies and critters out. So, a great yard for if you have a pet, dog, friendly. And the door here is into the master. One of the things that the owners added are these phantom screen doors that pull out. And so That can be a nice feature too, especially on a day like today, where if you want to close this up and just allow the fresh air to come inside. Okay. All right, so we're going to head back inside. One thing is we're heading back inside to note as well too, though, you're going to see out here, these are all screens on the exterior. I don't know, Laura, if you can, I don't want to have it come down on the door. Okay, all right, then we won't demonstrate that. But anyway, the screens come down here. Since I've got this door open, we don't want to turn that on right now. Okay? All right, very good. And now we'll head into the kitchen. Okay? All right. Okay. So maybe Laura, you can share with them some ideas about decorating or how somebody might set up a breakfast table in here.
So if you can see this area here, you have a fireplace, cozy, and the kitchen area. So you can either put a kitchen, small breakfast table in here. You do have the bar seating at the kitchen island. Reverse osmosis system at the kitchen sink. You have a trash compactor and your sub-zero refrigerator freezer.
Right. Nice corner window here. There are vertical blinds. Also, there are, let's see, turn this the right way. I think we can, oops. Oh, okay. Anyway, there is a screen here. I was just going to try and demonstrate that comes down as well. Gas cooktop. Okay. And then we've got trash compactor here, your oven and microwave. The current owner did add or built in this desk area. So it's a nice little area that sits underneath the window. So you can see out here, and that's kind of looking to the south. And then the barbecue is out there as well.
Just show you the barbecue.
Okay, we'll come out and then we'll come back in again. That was one of the phantom doors we just put in. Okay, all right, very good. Outdoor area, again, this is all screened in, but another way to get outside to the exterior. This pathway here will lead us back to the backyard where we were before. We've got kind of some nice tile countertop here just for prepping and cooking. And then you've got your barbecue here as well. Okay. All righty. And then just a mechanical closet. And this brings us back to that backyard again if you want to take a quick peek, and then we'll head in. All right, very good. And you know what, let's see, real quick, before we go into the laundry room, this area here is like a little family room sitting area. Right now you'll see there is a TV over here with some built-in bookshelves. I've also seen this space actually used as a separate dining area as well. So you have flexibility with this floor plan. Okay. All right. All right, so now we're going to head into the laundry room area. Okay. So one of the nice features back here in the laundry room is all these built-in cabinets. So lots of storage area over here. We'll have a sign here because here's a note that we have that below this cabinet, it's actually plumbed for a ice maker or a beverage refrigerator. So if you wanted to change that out, it's already plumbed here. But you've got, again, great cabinetry here. So this kind of serves as a pantry / laundry room because here is your formal laundry room. You've got washer dryer here. You've got your built-in ironing board. The owner did add also another desk area over here as well. And then there's a rack for kind of hanging clothes. I'll let you maybe get in there, so I'll step out so you can get a better view there. Okay, and then our 2-car garage is right through here. Okay, right. And you can see that with the 2-car garage, these are single bays here as well. They've got attached cabinets. We've got a central vac. There's actually also a mini split out in the garage, so that way if you like to tinker out in your garage, you want to have a little fun, they've got a mini split out here as well. All righty. Let's head to the other end of the home. Okay. Right. I'm going to cruise back through. You get a lot of nice natural light in here as well. And right here is we call it a powder room slash full third bathroom. So that allows this room next to here is can be used as a bedroom or as an office. So it does open up. We've got this pocket door here that opens back up to the full bath. Okay, and then back here we have just some built-ins here. Okay. All right, and then the floors in here, let's see, Laura, these are the hickory wood floors, right? Okay, very good. So these were newly installed by the current owner. And now we are coming to the master. So welcome. The master is generous size. There's room here for additional seating. The owners did add also this built-in desk here underneath the window, so it's got a pretty view out to the backyard. The same hickory wood floors are in here. You'll notice we have very high ceilings in here. They are vaulted, but a lot of volume. And then the double doors that lead to the outside, another nice feature here is just there's a nice overhang to give some protection from the sun. Certainly you can enjoy and see the outdoors, but also get a little relief from the sunshine here in Arizona. They have a TV in here mounted. This room can be set up different ways. You know, so you put your bed here. I've seen it over here. So there's a lot of flexibility just depending on the type of furniture you have and what you'd like to set up in here. Okay, and then we'll head into the master bath area and separate water closet. One of the things too you'll notice on the doors, obviously these are all solid core doors. They are knotty alder, and nice heavy duty iron hardware on those as well. So we've got the double sinks here. And we have a nice big soaking tub. And then down around from the soaking tub is the shower. And I'll just step out of your way and then we'll come back to the closet. Okay, and then in here we have the master closet, and we have the same hickory wood floors are in here as well. Okay. I think I mentioned at the beginning, the square footage here is 3,450 square feet. Okay, all right, very good. So why don't we head outside and we'll take a look at the casita. Do we have any questions from the audience? We're good, okay. Oh, let's see. Laura's going,
We have a good closet and lots of built-in storage.
yeah, yeah, nice generous size there. And then there's a nice breezeway here that leads to the casita. One of the things that the current owner did as well is they added the additional pavers here. So, it just kind of serves an area. They've got their, their trash cans here out of the way, but it just allows for a great breeze coming through. Okay, and here we go into the casita. And so this is going to be a bedroom, bath, and a walk-in closet. Nice picture window, and certainly something to notice when you're looking out this window. That's Pinnacle Peak right out there. So again, we are, that's Pinnacle Peak in the distance. Also from here, when we go back outside, I'll show you, we are within just walking distance to the Estancia Club. There is a path down this road, and then there's a little entry, so you can literally, if that's of interest to you, just walk from here to the Estancia Club. You will see there are some TVs still left here at the property that can stay with the sale of the home. We've got, again, the bath, and then the walk-in closet. Okay. All right, very good. Okay. And then back outside real quick. Here's where the driveway is, that street right there. That leads right up to where the pathway is to get to the Estancia Club. So just a short walk to get straight to the clubhouse from there. And so that pretty much wraps it up, unless you have anything else you'd like to add, Laura. Are we good?
No, okay, that's great.
All right, very good.
Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for joining us today, and please feel free to reach out if you have any additional questions. I'm at 602-320-8415. And one last thing before we go, the address on this house, which we didn't give at the beginning, is 27902 North 101st Street in Scottsdale. Thanks so much. Bye.